Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. So this is the Do's and Don'ts challenge with Miss Mandy Rocha from Hope Designs. All right, so I gave her 3 do's and 3 don'ts, which you're going to see after this video. And she gave me 3 do's and 3 don'ts. So my do's: I need to use a split base. I need to use negative space, and I need to use a palette knife. If you watch me, you know I love to use the palette knife, so that is great. My don'ts: I can't use a smaller than 10-inch canvas, 10 by 10 inch canvas. This is a 12 by 12 inch. Don't use red, and don't use a green base. So she went kind of easy on me because I tend not to use those colors anyway. Too much. I use green a lot, but shades of green, but I very rarely use red. All right, so what am I going to do? I'm going to do one of my swipes that I haven't done in a while. There's many videos back when I did these botanical swipes. I will be using the floetrol Amsterdam mixture, and I'm going to be using Australian floetrol, 3 parts of Australian floetrol to 1 part Amsterdam titanium white. My split base is going to be white, and this is actually bare house paint and water and floetrol. And then I have this really pretty, it's called Blossom, and these are something new that I found. I actually found this at Hobby Lobby, and it's called Folk Art 1 decor paint, and I believe it's a paint and primer in one, so I'm going to give it a shot. I thought it was just a pretty color. It's called Blossom. So I'm going to use this as my split base color. I did add just a tad bit of white just to lighten it up a little bit, and I added this opal glitter medium as well, bought at Hobby Lobby a while ago. I've used this a few times in my base paints, and they comes out really cool looking. So there's my 2 base colors. Okay, colors I'm going to use. This is going to be really light and erythral and just metallic. So first color I have is this Rose Quartz by Modern Masters, and it's very much like the base color, so but more metallic. Then I have some Modern Masters Rose, one of my favorite colors. Then I have some Deco Art Pearl. Then I have a little Color Shift blue, and I think this is Folk Art or Deco Art. I don't remember. I'm sorry, it's Amsterdam. I had that sitting around, so I want to get rid of it. I have some Deco Art 24 karat gold. I have a little silver, Artist Left silver, that I'm going to throw in there. I use a lot of colors when I do these swipes. I have a little bit of blue quartz by Folk Art. This is a treasure gold color. I'm going to use a little bit of that. I have a little champagne by Rust-Oleum. I'm going to use some of that. And then I have this Enchanted Violet by Deco Art. These are like the dragon fire, or I'll show you the bottle if I have one. I don't, but anyway, they're Folk Art. And I think that's probably going to be it. I might add a little bit of this Sky Blue by Modern Masters, but I'm not sure. This originally was going to be my base, but I decided on the pink one because I hadn't used that yet. All right, so let's get started. If you're new here, please like and subscribe and comment, and make sure you stay tuned for Mandy's challenge up next after this video. You can go right over and check her out. I'm really happy you guys are here. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. All right, here we go.
From the moment we held on to things we cannot see, I would cross the sky forever. It's only just begun. I know you will agree. Things to make us all feel better. What I may have, what I may own, I give it all. Like a desert in the sun. My heart ain't heavy, it ain't heavy. You can walk and you can run. How I wish you knew my heart ain't heavy, it ain't heavy. Tell me when you've had enough. When all is said and done, you still feel the fascination. You can blame it on my love. I guess my heart is warm. All the freedom you've been chasing. What I may have, what I may own, I give it all. Like a desert in the sun. My heart ain't heavy, it ain't heavy. You can walk and you can run. How I wish you knew my heart ain't heavy, it ain't heavy. Will you show me the way? My heart is longing for answering. 'Cause I will wait night and day. You will see in time my heart ain't heavy, it ain't heavy. Like a desert in the sun, desert